Hello, beautiful people. I am starting a series of Canva hacks, and I have five for you today, but we're doing them individually. First one up is the tidy feature or tool. Um, this favorite, you guys. If you are a digital content creator or you create anything on Canva, this tool will come into play for you. Let's say you're making something and you have all these little icons or pictures you want, and they're just not, I mean, they look lined up, but when you look at this, they're really lined up. Are they really? They're not, okay? So what we want to do is we're going to come over here and we are going to go to position, and then we're going to go down to tidy up. See how it just tidied that right up? Now you can group these together to, you'll go in the middle, center, left, right, bottom, or bottom right, like that. But if that's not your thing, you don't have to group them. Let me bring it back to where I want. And ungroup. But it really helps when you're trying to do the spacing and the lining. Now, let me show you one more way. Let's just get rid of these. And this is where I tend to use it a lot is when I am using like presentations and I want things just to be lined up perfectly. Let me grab these stars. I'm just going to make four of them. All right. So one thing that you can do is you can put one where you want to start and then one where you want to end. All right. Now, watch this magic. Position, tidy up. Oh, it's going that way. My bad. I should have brought it down a little bit. Hold on. I'm going to show you a little trick in a little bit. It just didn't want to work with the stars, I guess. We're going to group them all together. I'm not pressing group, I'm just highlighting them all together. And then I'm going to press, there we go. We tidied them up. Now this helps when when you have a presentation, you want to put something here, here, here. Now, one of my highest videos on here is about lines and creating line paper. And this is where it comes handy, the tidy up. I'm going to show you something real similar, but if you ever want to watch the whole thing, go do a search of creating line paper on my YouTube. Okay, so I just want a line. There we go. And I'm gonna, because I always have to do this, so I can make it not, oh, I didn't do it, not like the weight of it. So I'm just going to do two, enter. There we go. Now I'm going to duplicate, 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 duplicate. Okay, I'll stop. Now I'm going to bring this one down to where I want it, and then we'll keep the top one there. Now let's go ahead and do this. Position, tidy up. There we go, people. Look at that. And you can move that around. Like you can make this a little note, pad on something. I'm just showing you how to use the tool. Position, tidy up. All right, I hope that helped. And let me know in the comments what you use the tidy up for.